Hey, this is Ed here from Kiwi Ed Noz. I just uploaded my Yumbox video, my Universal Yumbox video to YouTube. And there's this really loud fart in it. After I try the Monster Munch, when I'm talking, you hear this really loud I totally missed it when I was videoing. I didn't even hear it, and it wasn't until I played it back before I uploaded it. I heard the fart. I was like, and I couldn't stop laughing. So I uploaded it anyway. If you only watch it just to hear that fart sound. I wish it was me that did it, because I would have owned up straight up. But it was my darling. It's very distracting from the rest of the video because you've just been laughing. Because when I watched it, I was like, oh crap, you can't even watch the rest because all you're doing is laughing. Because it looks like I did a fart. I totally ignored it and carried on with my video. It's really funny. Alright, I gotta go to work. Laters, I'm outies.